from x to z. Okay, so I'm just going to make up some points, or some values I should say. A is 5. Let's say B is 9. And we need to find C. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and plug it into our formula, which we have right here, the Pythagorean theorem. And I always like to write the theorem first. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, so we know that we have A is 5 squared plus 9 squared equals C squared. Okay? 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. Plus 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. Equals C squared. Okay? So 25 plus 81, I have no idea. 106, I think. Okay? So we have 106 equals C squared. So now in order to solve for C, we have to take the square root. Square root, square root. Now a common mistake that students make is when the square root of a number squared, this cancels right here. So you're just left with C, okay? And the square root of 106, this is not a perfect square. So we're going to leave it right now. Square root of 106. But we can approximate this value, okay? So I'm going to check it really quick. So I have that C is approximately, because when you use your calculator, it's an approximation. 10.29. Let's just round up. C is approximate 10.3. Okay? There's our value right there. So that means C is 10.3. Okay, so C equals 10.3. And that's it. That's our value there. We're done. We know all the sides of the length of the leg, and hypotenuse. Okay? But I'm going to do another example really quick. And I'm going to do nice numbers, okay? Because that was not too good. 3 and 4. Okay, we need to find the hypotenuse. So we're just going to call this, and I'll use different color. We'll call this A, B, C. A is 3. B is 4. C, we have no idea. Let's go ahead and use the formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. All right, let's plug them in. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 4 times 4 is 16. Equals C squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. Equals C squared. And just like before, we're going to take the square root of both sides. Square root, square root. And remember what I told you? That these will cancel. So what's the square root of 25? If you don't know what that means, what number times itself will give us 25? And that's 5. So square root of 25 is 5 equals C. And I like to write it the other way. C equals 5. Nice number. We'll just put it there. So now we know the value of the hypotenuse. We know is 5. Okay? So again, this is the Pythagorean theorem. Hopefully this was clear. And if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask, all right? See you guys later. Peace.